Hey, what's up folks? This is Quace Fulton from the Stretch Spot, and today we're going to talk about a way that you can help loosen your muscles up a little bit easier. You don't have to get on a foam roller. I'm going to give you one tip, or show you a way. Hang out. What's up folks? Thanks, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about a tool we use in Stretch Spot that actually helps you loosen your muscles up that might not be as harsh as, especially if you're really tight, as a foam roller. It is called a Genie Rub. Looks like a sander, but the Genie Rub, you turn it on, it plugs up. We've used it since we've been open, and a lot of people like it. And it really just gets the blood flow going, and it's not really hard. So if you're somebody that's always really tight, then you can use that on yourself. One thing you need is you need a partner in crime to do it for you, because you can't rub it on your back or your legs. But I've used this on many people who weren't really, they're really so tight that you could barely touch them. So if you're like that and you think there's a product out there, or there is a product out there that can really help you loosen yourself up, it's worked for us for a long time, and that is the Genie Rub. The Genie Rub I highly recommend. Now, if you want to know how to get the Genie Rub, you can go ahead and I'll put a link down below, and that will take you, I believe, to our site, and you just click on it and you can order it for yourself. Highly recommend it. Great for loosening you up. Thanks for taking a look, and I'll see you on the next video.